Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Advanced, Backup. Here you have to enable this feature Backup to Google Drive, and then what you have to do is to add your Google account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to just tap Accept here. Then tap OK. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.